How to redeem Best Buy gift card online. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to redeem your Best Buy gift card online. So let's just get started. First of all, you can open up your browser and go to bestbuy.com, or you can also do this through the Best Buy app if you prefer. So I'm using a browser, and once you're here, you can go ahead and open up your stores and look up for the apps that you want to buy. So you can browse up the website and add the items you want to purchase to a cart from here. You can just go ahead and do that. And once you're ready to buy, click on the shopping cart icon in the top right corner and then select checkout. And then you can go ahead and begin up the payment process here. And then go ahead and click on checkout to begin the payment process. So during checkout, you'll see an option for payment methods. Choose the option that says gift card right here. You can find this option called add a gift receipt. Go ahead and tap on it. Once you're here, you can go ahead and tap on the per item that you want to put the gift card to. Tap on save and continue. And you can just go ahead and enter up your gift card and PIN. And then once you've entered the details, apply to use the gift card to what you purchased. And check out with the remaining payment method if necessary. And your order will be confirmed. And that is it. Now you've successfully redeemed your Best Buy gift card online. So if the tutorial helped, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tips. And thank you for watching.